Linear welding. Select path. Add new linear path. Select linear 1. Set endpoint. You can now move the robot by using the free drive button, or you can use the arrows on the teach pendant. You can always add a new linear welding by pressing here, add new linear path, select linear 2, set endpoint, and move the robot again. When you have done that, you have to select arc off. The arc off wait time is the time between arc is off and the robot will start to move away. It's important to teach the robot the path to your home position. Select air point, set air point, and move the robot away from your weld subject so it doesn't collide with your weld subject. Accept. That's it.